I'll be bringing spices like ginger, jaggery, cloves, and raisins. Not just raisins, but rum-soaked raisins, so keep watching. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more new videos on staying healthy and thinking healthy. Let's begin by soaking the raisins in rum. I've taken a mix of golden raisins and black raisins. For half cup of raisins, I'm using 1/4 cup of rum. If you want to avoid alcohol or rum, you can soak it in orange juice. After 8 hours of soaking in rum, I'll be using it to bake the cake. I'll also be using almond flour, jaggery, cashew, walnut, pistachios. You'll find the full recipe in the description below. Place parchment paper on your cake pan. Combine the dry ingredients, almond flour, baking powder, baking soda, ginger powder, in goes cinnamon powder. I'm using fresh cloves. This will enhance the flavor. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. For the wet mix, I'm using jaggery powder instead of regular sugar and vegetable oil. Whisk it really well until both are blended together. Now add in the thick yogurt. This is what makes this cake eggless. Instead of eggs, I'm using thick yogurt, and this is where magic happens. Whisk it until it's nice and creamy. Adding vanilla extract to kick in the additional flavor. Whisk it really well. Now add in the dry ingredients. I'm adding half the dry ingredients, fold it, and then add the rest of the half. That way it's easy to fold and there are no lumps formed. Here comes the raisins, rum-soaked raisins. Add it and fold it. I'm going to roughly crush the nuts using a mortar. You may use whatever nuts you like. I'm using cashews, walnuts, and pistachios. This is what I like the most. You may even use pecans in place of walnuts. This is going to be a nutritious cake, and the nuts is going to give that nuttiness along with the raisins. Mix in the nuts. Make sure not to over mix the batter. Pour the mixture into the cake pan. I'm using a 9-inch springform pan. This fits well in my air fryer. Top it up with additional raisins and nuts. Don't be shy to spread some love and spread some joy. Look how beautiful this turned out. I'm using an air fryer to bake this cake to cut some time. You can easily bake it in the oven. Preheat the air fryer. Each air fryer is different and you'll have to try out for the right setting. I'm going to bake it under 325 degree for 20 minutes first, then check it, and then I baked it for an additional 5 minutes. Select the setting according to your food item. I'm selecting the cupcake picture for my bake. The best part is put it in the air fryer, and by the time it's baking, just wind up, clean everything, and I'm all set to taste. Can't wait once it's done. 5 more minutes. Taking it out, it smells good and it looks good. You can simply slice it and eat it like that, but I wanted to create an element of surprise to my holiday dessert this year. Let it cool down completely. This cake turned out very moist and soft. I can feel it as I crumble it. Ready to have some fun? Let's begin. Take a small portion in your hand and press it in between your palms and roll it with the almond flour. I'm using almond flour, but you can just simply have fun with whatever you like. You can even use walnut powder, pistachio powder, or cocoa powder. just simply have fun and create your own delight this holiday season. So next time, if you have some leftover cake in your fridge, just create your own dessert and surprise your family and friends. I'm decorating it with raspberries. I wanted to pop it up with some red color. You can use blackberries, blueberries, or simply dry fruits, nuts, or whatever fruits you like. Just create your own magic. Today, I'm so happy to create this magical moment, not only with myself, but happy to share with you all. I can taste the rum-soaked raisin along with ginger, jaggery, cinnamon, and cloves. Just perfect. I'm loving it. I hope you will too. If you're looking for an eggless healthy option, you should definitely give it a try. Let me know how it turned out. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more such healthy recipes and don't forget to shine with Shobs.